Thoughts on education? Education is the key to success. Obviously, you need to have ambition. You can be a fucking PhD, doctorate. You can know the encyclopedia back to front. If you ain't ambitious, you can get all the degrees and masters and PhDs you want. You will end up working in Tesco or McDonald's or just being on 40 grand for the next 10 years or the rest of your life. So you got to get educated, and you also have to have ambition. You know what? Ambition is more important than education. There's plenty of dumb people that have no GCSEs that are millionaires. And there's plenty of educated people that have an above average IQ who are just about able to afford their rent. I'm not going to say living in a council house, but maybe they're just about able to afford their rent. So ambition is the most important thing. If I had to pick one to be exceptional at, definitely ambitious over education, definitely.